Find the best pool tables on Amazon. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product I scored and buy. I am going to review top 6 best pool tables on the market. 1. GLD Products Fat Cat Truashot. This folding style table has a large playing surface. This makes it feel almost as large as a standard pool table. It features locking legs that help to keep it in place and makes it feel very sturdy. This model is made with the maple wood frame for durability. It is covered with nylon cloth. Along with the table, you will also get everything that you need to start playing right away. Why is it special? This is, by far, our favorite pool table for under $500. It comes with everything that you need to play right away, including cues, balls, triangles, and chalk. Even if this is the first pool table you have ever bought, you shouldn't have any issue at all setting it up and getting started playing right away. Speaking of setup, this table couldn't be much easier. All you have to do is unfold it and use the locks on the legs to secure them in place. From there, you simply level the legs and get started. This setup should only take you about 15 minutes total, which is outstanding. Thanks to the leg locks and levelers, as well as the sturdy design of this table, this thing is solid as a rock. It has a large playing surface for a foldable table and should provide plenty of 2. Crucis. This table has a slightly smaller playing surface, which makes it a great option for anyone that has a smaller rec room. It is also lightweight and has folding legs, which makes it easy to move out of the way when it is not in use. This model is made with MDF lumber and steel legs for stability. This table is covered in regulation green felt, which makes the balls move extremely smoothly across its surface. What are our favorite features? The best thing about this table has got to be its price. Though all of the models on our list are relatively inexpensive, this is the most budget-friendly on the market. Even though it is designed to save you money, it is still a high-quality product. It is compact and lightweight, which makes it highly portable. Even if you need to move this model into different rooms in your house, you shouldn't have any problem doing so. This model also comes fully assembled, which is a big time saver. The regulation felt gives it a durable feel and also allows the balls to roll smoothly. This table also comes with everything that you need to play right away, adding to its value. What could be better? This is the lightest table on our list. This makes it extremely portable and easy to maneuver into position when you are ready to play. This smaller-than-average design does reduce the size of the playing surface by quite a bit, however. This smaller-than-average playing surface might take a bit of getting used to for experienced players, though it should work perfectly well for anyone that is just learning the game. 3. GoSports Billiards Table. This table is heavier than most and also has a large playing surface. The legs are very easy to level, thanks to the screwable feet. This table is covered in polyester cloth that causes the balls to roll very smoothly. It is crafted from manufactured wood and features a metal frame, which adds to its durability and solid feel. Why did it make our list? If you are someone that is looking to get a pool table for under $500 but still get the largest playing surface that you can, then this is the table for you. This model has an expansive surface for this price, making it almost feel like you are playing on a regulation-size pool table. Another great feature that really stands out for this model is its durable design. The frame for this table is nice and thick, which makes it extra sturdy. The easy-to-level legs are also a very nice touch since they add to the sturdiness of the table. This table is also backed up with a great warranty, which makes it an awesome value. What is not ideal about it? This table is extremely durable and sturdy. It is made with high-quality materials, which makes it a great buy. The biggest downside, however, is that these exceptional materials make it extremely heavy. Even when you are just setting it up for the first time, you will need to make sure that you have someone to help you lift it into place. Even though this model can be folded up, you probably will want to avoid that as much as possible due to its heavy design. 4. Hathaway Spartan. This table features a large playing surface, as well as a durable and sturdy design. It can be utilized as either a pool table or a ping-pong table. This makes it extremely versatile. This table is made with manufactured wood and metal. The covering is made with polyester, which allows the balls to move quickly. What do we love it for? The thing that really stands out for this model is the fact that it can pull double duty. Not only is this a fantastic pool table, but it can also be used as a ping-pong table as well. This makes it an awesome option for a rec room since it will help to keep both your kids and guests entertained for hours on end. Another high point for this model is that, once it is set up, it is extremely durable. The thick frame and sturdy legs make it a great choice for anyone that is used to standard pool tables. The easy-to-use levelers help to make it even sturdier. What were we disappointed with? The fact that this table can be used as both a pool table and for table tennis is a great value. This will, however, add a whole lot of time to the assembly process. Since you need to make sure that everything is set up correctly so that you can quickly switch between the two playing surfaces, you can expect that you will spend a lot longer to get this table ready than others on our list. 5. Hathaway Fairmont. This table is made to be portable. It is foldable and comes with a carrying case. It is also built to be quite sturdy and easy to set up and take down. The legs are also quite easy to level. This model is made with manufactured wood and an alloy steel frame for durability. It also features wool cloth, which makes it very durable compared to other materials. Why is it special? One of the biggest issues with tables that are foldable is that they are not always the sturdiest or the most durable. That is, thankfully, not the case with this model. Thanks to its steel alloy frame, this model should stand up to the test of time without too many issues. The wool felt is also quite durable, which allows the balls to travel smoothly. That is not to say, however, that this model is not highly portable. Of all the different tables on our list, this is perhaps the most durable. It folds up completely and even comes with the nylon carrying bag. This bag makes it that much easier to cart it from place to place, which is great if you don't have a dedicated rec room. What are the flaws? While it is really nice that this table comes with everything that you need, you will want to get yourself a different set of cues as soon as possible. The ones that come along with the table are flimsy and unresponsive, which will not allow you to make accurate shots while you are playing. Of course, if you are just getting this table for your kids, the cues will probably work just fine. 6. Rackstark. This table is made to be extremely sturdy and durable. It features thick legs that are very easy to level and a smaller than average playing surface. This model is crafted with manufactured wood and covered in regulation wool cloth. It also has rubber cushions on its bumpers, which make bank shots much easier. What makes it special? The best thing about this model is that, despite its smaller than average size, it is extremely sturdy. The legs are designed to hold the table in place and keep it from shifting on you while you are playing. The rubber cushions along the side are nice and thick, which will allow them to keep from breaking down too quickly. They are also quite responsive, which means that they will offer plenty of bank shot opportunities. To go along with this sturdy design, the company also offers a lifetime warranty. While you will hopefully not need to use it, it is nice to know that the company stands behind its product. What cons did we find? There is a lot to like about this table. It is sturdy and fun to play on. The biggest issue we found with it is the size of its playing surface. While it certainly is big enough for younger players or anyone that isn't a serious pool enthusiast, it will really hamper the playing style of experienced players. It is much shorter and thinner than a regular table, which will take some getting used to for anyone with a lot of experience.
Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.